Hi, I'm Smyth from Smyth Imports, and we have a 91 Spur in here. And anyway, if you have a Spur, then your springs are going to be weak and need replaced. Standing height's going to need corrected on the car. Here's two springs we're doing at the same time. You can see our long extended rods we have. We have the factory tools and equipment to go ahead and do these. That's how tall those springs are. Very dangerous job. Then you have the lower lips and then the upper lips of it. And if you let it go too long too, it can wear out the hole in this plate right here too in the center for the shock. Those shock bushings should be replaced out. What happens to the lower shock bushing under the plate is they start coming apart like this. You see this one, see it? Just comes apart, blows apart. A lot of people get a noise and they'll just take one of these and slam it on there and with a different washer and try and get rid of any of the noise, which is not the correct way to fix it. And it can wipe out those plates, and those plates are several hundreds of dollars. So, and in the rear of your car, the car sags too much and runs too much off the leveling system on these Spirits and Spurs. So all these cars are old enough now, if you count all the years from when they quit making them to now, and it doesn't matter if you have 5,000 miles or you have 200,000 miles on them, except that you're going to need these springs done, and you're going to probably need your shocks done and your ride control system done, serviced on the car. So that's just a quick heads up on it. Like I said, we're Smyth Imported Car Service. We've been specializing in Rolls-Royce and Bentley since 1934. We came from Ireland in the 1950s to the United States, and unfortunately we weren't a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley new car dealer, but we were in '59 the first Jaguar dealer in Cincinnati on Reading Road. And then in the 50s, late 50s, we became, and right at 60, we also became the Triumph, TVR, Rover, Saab, and Triumph, Rover, TVR, Saab. What else do we have over there? And another franchise, whatever, new car dealership. But anyway, since then my father's gotten older and he's passed away. Lost him in '91. I've had this place since basically right out of the get-go, out of the gate from school. So we've been doing restoration work on Rolls-Royces and Bentleys. I drive a Silver Cloud myself, been a member of the Rolls-Royce Club probably 30 plus years, if that tells you anything. And then several different sub-chapters. And then also we're a lifetime member of the Rolls-Royce Foundation, my son and I, as well as the lifetime membership over at the Rolls-Royce Enthusiasts Club, which is what they call it in the UK. So if you need Rolls-Royce work, come see us. All these older vintage Rolls-Royces are all the parts are done through Bentley, and we're an authorized Bentley service workshop. VW North America was looking for a few good shops at the time when they actually bought Rolls and Bentley, and we got in on it. Nobody else did, and became authorized as an independent service facility back when VW took it over. I don't even think they had sold off Rolls-Royce to BMW yet. VW owned both the franchises in the beginning, and then they sold off Rolls-Royce. So anyway, with that being said, Rolls-Royce, the new Rolls-Royces don't fool with any of these old cars. Only Bentley does, and so we get all our parts. Our appointed distributors, Jack Barkley out of the UK. You'll see pictures of us on our website if you look, where we service one-of-a-kind cars, as well as, you'll find the Bentley Speeds in here. The new V8 is in here, comes in here. We get just about every rare Bentley there is. The Super Sports. I already mentioned Speed. And then all the older Rolls Royces we take care of too. We can get all the parts. It's under Heritage Parts. It's no big secret. The dealers don't want you to know about heritageparts.com. But you go look it up. It's called heritageparts.com. and you can put it in, and then you get correct Bentley or Rolls-Royce parts. So anyway, with that being said, keep us in mind, we're here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We have cars freighted in and out of here from all over the country in the United States and in and out of the states. So from Florida, usually Florida is our most popular place, and surrounding places, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia. Those are big that come in here. And then we get cars in from California and whatnot. So please keep us in mind for service of your car. Like I said, this is a Spur. This is a long wheelbase, and the Spirit's a short wheelbase. And then, like I said, when it comes to Rolls-Royce Silver Clouds or your Bentley R-types, we're the place for you. Your straight 6 engines, all the way up through your big V8 engines, and then on Bentley all the 12-cylinder engines. And we have worked on the late model Phantoms, but that's not affiliated with us in any way. We're on the Bentley side of it as far as Authorized, and then they're doing the older cars with the older parts on the Rolls side. So Rolls has asked us to be a service facility. We haven't done it yet. It's expensive to do, and would require probably a bigger place. And we would be doing all new cars at that time. But as of right now, we're not doing that. So if your car's out of warranty, come see us. We'd love to have you as a customer, and we have the backing and blessing of VW North America and Bentley Motors Limited Crewe as an authorized for Bentley Motors only, not Rolls-Royce. And but on the older Rolls-Royces, once again, that's covered by Bentley. So there you have it. The newer ones are not associated at all. So come see us. You can visit our site at www.smythimports.com. Unless you got this from our site, you can get us to see CM Smyth YouTube in Cincinnati, and then also too we put these videos up on things like Facebook and things like that. So wish everyone all the best, and thank everybody for all the many years of being in the car business. Cheers. Our telephone number, by the way, is 513-793-0434. Thank you.